How to return Facebook language to English. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can return to English language on your Facebook profile. So, without further ado, let's dive into this. First of all, we are going to open up the Facebook application. After doing that, we are going to look for a three-bar option at the right side of the screen. And after finding it, we are going to tap on it. So we'll scroll down till the very last and find the option Settings and Privacy. After tapping on it, we're going to further go into the settings mode. Afterwards, we are going to look for an option in the preferences language and region. After tapping on language and region, it would have a first option language for buttons, titles and other text from Facebook. So we would tap on it, and from here we can change our language to whichever language we want. So my default language is English. So this is what I do. So this is how you change or come back to your or return to English language on Facebook. This is how we do it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe the video. Thank you.